All right, this is Slick Gorilla's hair styling powder. It's a matte powder. So it comes in about just under an ounce, about 20 grams. And it's very easy. All you do, take it off. You pat this on your hands or directly onto your roots, and it holds your hair really well for a natural effect. Pretty much, I'd say about 6 to 8 hour hold is realistic. Water, activates it a little bit, but don't use too much of it because again, this is a powder and it will dissolve. But overall, really happy with it. The only downside I think is that if you have long, thick hair, it might feel as if you have like knots in your hair, not huge knots where you can't, run your fingers through it, but maybe you have to clear them out. But not visible to the eye. It's gonna look great. Would recommend. I use it every day. I pair it with a pomade for a natural look, and I love it.